Okay, so and the other thing, I think we've been trading live together with you guys last week for EURNZD, and I think we take like 80 pips together, and literally after the breakdown I showed you guys, we literally moved 200 pips last week, guys. So nothing changed. I think you guys have seen the last video. If you see the last video, I'm sure you guys going to take the last trade that I posted. So we've been moving nicely in EURNZD between 1.805 and 1.7, right? So we've been moving last May, right? After last May, we literally make another zone, and around June we literally move another zone that we start moving in this channel between 1.80 and 1.74, right? So after we literally move in this zone, I think we'll literally take on the group, we take these buys, and we've been taking also sells. So the market literally is showing us a good structure, and the channel is still being respected, right? So as you guys can see, if we see the trend looks nice. We're looking to go up, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, we're literally touching the last structure and continue pushing up, right? But as we respected as we literally respected this zone, the zone has never been touched. As you guys can see, the market come back, push back and come back down, and push back and literally came back down, and moving in the same structure, right? So as we go lower at the 4-hour time frame, EURNZD, we take these trades. I think we take this trade on the group last time, and we take buys also this. If you see, guys, see the last webinar, I think literally this is the best, one of the best webinars that I did, and we took live together this structure, right? I think we take 200 pips together, and this was fucking amazing. After that, the market literally has respected the resistance zone that we put in here, and we literally break structure here, right? When we break structure, we take this zone and came back for 60 pips, I think. Yes, 60 pips, and activated the sales, and we took the sales also. So now, as you guys can see, the channel still didn't break it, and as you guys can see, this zone and this market trend is still being respected, right? So after last week, I think Friday, in the VIP channel, we took buys from here. We took buys around 90 pips, and it was fucking amazing. I still have some open positions that I didn't close on this. If the market's still respecting the structure, I'm going to hold it, and we literally take partial 80 pips last time, and we've been moving nicely, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna change anything, just like I showed you guys last week. If you see, let me delete this one. Last week, is, if you guys see, we took this sales together on the free Telegram channel, right? So market literally came back and respected the last sales, the last support zone, right? We have support around this place, and we break the structure here. Let me show you guys a little bit more. So literally, guys, literally we break this structure in this candlestick, as you guys can see. Let me change the color for you guys so you guys can see. As you guys can see, literally break, and we form another candlestick around this place. So literally we take this straight from here, and take we take buys like 80 pips. We close some of our profit. I still have some of the trade that I still have running, and I think for me, if we continue pushing up, at least we're going to see 200 pips more if the market respected the structure, right? Now the market, as you guys can see, we make our last lows in here, and we make another we make lows in here and continue pushing up, right? Let me go a little bit lower for 3-hour time frame. As you guys can see, guys, market literally break this structure and continue pushing up, right? So my thought in this trade, guys, we have resisted around this place because of the last resistance around this place. So I think it's okay because we break this resistance zone last time and push back up, right? So now literally I have open position from here, also here, and I add positions here also. So if the market come back and respect this zone, I'm going to hold it because it's going to continue pushing up like this. We might, this time I think we might even break the last channel from here and continue pushing up till 1.8. That's what I'm looking. If not, if we continue moving in the same channel, I think is we good to go. Even at least we have 200 more pips. So I think I'm gonna hold this trade. If you guys can see, we have two ways to confirm this trade, guys. We're still holding the trend line around this place and still respecting the structure to make higher highs and higher lows. So as long as we respect this zone, I'm gonna respect the market and continue pushing up with the market. So if the market breaks this structure, I'm just gonna close the trade and wait to see a nice another opportunities. For now, this is my thought. Let's go a little bit lower. As you guys can see, even at 2-hour time frame, you guys can see we literally making an higher highs, and we literally form a 2-hour time frame, 2-hour candlestick in here, but we still didn't break the last high, so we're still good to go. I think we're going to continue pushing up to this coming week. So let's see when the market opens. I'm gonna do live, so if I'm going to add lows, I'm going to take another trade if the market break the structure. And anything that you guys have thoughts on this, I think you guys can ask me a question on live. Okay, so that things, I don't think I'm going to trade too many, take too many trades on this week, because I only see these trades and they are beautiful. So I'm going to hold them. As you guys can see, even though when we go hour time frame, we still have respected the highs, respected this high. Even though we break this this high from in 1 hour time frame, we're good to go, because let me show you, we still have we still resisted before and continue pushing up. So I'm not gonna take this as a market changing direction, because we still have another lows in here, and markets have been consolidating, and market was pushing around this place. So the last confirmation that I'm going to see, if we go below this structure, I think we're going to see sales, or if we respected this zone, or come back for one more retest to come back to continue pushing up. So this is the last zone. I'm going to see if I'm closing my trades. So this is my thought on EURNZD. So if you guys don't understand, maybe you guys have to go to my previous YouTube on my YouTube, to my previous breakdown, and check it, because I literally open up every detail on the previous webinar. So this is my thought for EURNZD. I'm going to see more UA30 and AUDJPY. I'm going to do also for that. Let's get it.